Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my all viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video. So guys, the wait is over. Today I am sharing with you beautiful crochet handbag with beautiful purses, clutches ideas for modern girls, fabulous ideas, most demanding collection, daily use collection. Mostly girls like crochet dresses, crochet free pattern, different ideas. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, different handmade knitting variety. Beautiful ideas, most demanding collection. Very nice, hopefully like this. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Beautiful designing. Very nice, hopefully like this. Some are pocket style, chain strap style, wooden handle, metal handle, leather strap style, crochet strap style, lock up style, button up style. Okay viewers, now you have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day and please pray for me. Goodbye.